Well, hey everyone, welcome to this amazing video. As today, I will talk about yet another awesome university, University of California, Berkeley, or popularly known as UC Berkeley or UCB. Berkeley tops the list of dream schools for a lot of students, and I'm sure you must have considered it. For those who have heard and don't exactly know what the school is about, I'm here to help you understand it better in this video. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. The University of California, Berkeley is located in Berkeley, a city in Northern California. Well, I'm sure this will be easy to remember. Berkeley is in Berkeley. Yeah. It's one of the 10 universities of the University of California campuses and is ranked number 1 out of all the 10 in terms of its reputation. The Berkeley campus is spread over 1,200 acres on a hill overlooking San Francisco Bay. Yes, it's huge. It's a park-like oasis in the small city. It also has a wide variety of architectural styles that ranges from stunning classical amphitheater to modern university art museum draped in neon sculpture. Well, it's California, so it has to be scenic, with large gardens to just spend your day soaking in the sun. The campus is more than 150 years old and has some trees older than that. Overall, it's an awesome campus, and isn't that amazing? The most popular majors at University of California, Berkeley include engineering, architecture, economics, political science, business, sociology, mathematics, and physics. Like always, I emphasize on the fact that ranking should never be a selection criteria for any college on your list. But still, a lot of people, they ask me, I'm going to tell you, Berkeley is in the top 20 colleges in the USA as well as in the world, all across major ranking service providers like US News, QS News, and all others. Alright, let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit. Yes, there are thousands of universities all around the world, and just like people, we guys, every university has a persona. Yes, every university has a personality, and that should match with yours in order to find that common thing with you and the university. Establishing whether you should attend one particular university should be an important and a well thought out decision. Now, what do we mean by the right fit? A good college fit is when a college meets your needs and wants academically, socially, and financially. And today, I will cover all these 3 fits for UC Berkeley and whether this particular university will be a good fit for you or not. Let's begin with the first one, the academic fit. Berkeley is very academically intense. Since every student is best of the best, they try not to settle for anything less. You should have a good academic background to be successful at Berkeley. Looking at the class size, well, although 54% of the undergrad classes have fewer than 20 students, some of the introductory courses, particularly in sciences department, have close to 800 students. Wow, that's big. With around 22 Nobel laureates in the faculty, I believe it's safe to say that the faculty is exceptional and all the professors are highly involved in research work and must publish their research to keep up the highly competitive teaching ranks. After all, Berkeley has made a large part of its reputation on the basis of its advanced research and graduate programs, many of which rank among the best in the world. Each of the Berkeley's 6 undergraduate colleges or schools has its own set of general education requirements, which generally not that extensive, but exposes the students to learn from other majors too, and it's compulsory to take English and literature classes for everyone. Yes, you have to. The student-faculty ratio at UC Berkeley is about 19:1, and like I mentioned earlier, 54% of the classes are fewer than 20 students, and it's mostly small class size. They all have interdisciplinary programs available for freshmen and sophomores, ranging from history, writing, public speaking, to organizing regular seminars taught by their own teachers. Despite all these, the sheer number of students at Berkeley makes it difficult to treat each student as an individual. And on the same lines, the academic counseling section of the university suffers. Now, as we discussed, being inclined towards research can come really handy when considering Berkeley. Berkeley offers 7 departments and 7 interdisciplinary programs in engineering. Electrical engineering and computer science are the most popular programs. Interdisciplinary study and research are common across the sciences, such as the biological sciences department's programs in integrative biology and molecular and cell biology. Another thing to pay a little bit attention on the fact is that Berkeley in some courses does not offer direct admission to international students and may offer a pre-program. Yes, super important to know. This means you have to study at university for a year before declaring a major in the second year, which adds up additional academic pressure as you need to maintain a minimum grade to qualify. You must know this. So, keeping everything in mind, I will rate UC Berkeley with 5 stars on academic difficulty level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move on to all exciting social fit, exploring life at Berkeley. College life is not all about studies. It's about friendships and exploring your skill sets more. Social life at Berkeley is killer. More than 1,200 student clubs and groups are registered on campus, which ensures that there is an outlet of just about any interest and that no one group will ever dominate campus life. Beyond that, the diversity of town and campus makes an extraordinarily free and exciting college environment for almost anyone. It makes one feel free to dress, say, think, or do anything and not be chastised for being unorthodox. At Berkeley, it is worse to be dull than odd. UC Berkeley has above 35,000 students, yes, with around 29,000 undergrad students and remaining PG and PhD students. Yes, it's a huge student body. And as per the last year's number, 12% of students are international. 35% are Asian American, 2% are African American, 16% are Hispanic, and 6% are multiracial. Yeah, what I mean is that have very diverse student body. When we come to housing, it's California, so understandably, it's high price. Ouch. Though the dorms have room for only 26% of the students, freshmen are guaranteed housing in their first year. After that, the Cal Rentals is a good resource for finding an apartment in town. Many students live a couple of miles off campus where apartments are cheaper. For the meal plans, students actually need meal plans. In the absence of mandatory meal plan, everybody eats wherever and whenever they wish, including in the dorms. UC Berkeley has Division I varsity sports, and this university is the top producer of all Olympic athletes. Strengths include men's gymnastics, men's crew, and men's and women's swimming. UC Berkeley offers a balance between academic and social activities. I would give it a 4-star out of 5 on the quality of life at Berkeley. Now let's look at the financial fit. UC Berkeley is definitely an expensive school. The tuition cost is about $45,000 to $60,000, including living and room and board is about $19,000. So it is surely an expensive school. Scholarships are available for postgrad students, but when it comes to international undergrad students, none of the UCs offer any scholarship. So be prepared with this information before you apply. No scholarships for international undergrad students. So overall, in terms of financial fit, I'm going to give UC Berkeley about 1 star. That means it's really expensive school and with no scholarship, so it's just 1 star on financial. After exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to get into UC Berkeley. Yes, I know you've been waiting for this. Before I decode that for you, let's look at some of the facts. UC Berkeley is another one of the highly selective schools, and it surely lies in either Reed School or Dream School for almost everyone, as it has an acceptance rate of just 16%. With this level of competitiveness, Berkeley is sure to expect new enrollments from students that are top of their academic game, more like top 10% of the applicant pool. So if you feel you fit the academic profile of Berkeley student, this might be a perfect school for you. Berkeley's applications are detailed and consider overall achievements of a student. The review recognizes a wide range of talent and creativity that is not necessarily reflected in traditional measures of academic achievements, but which, in the judgment of the reader or the admission officer, is the positive indicator of the student's ability to succeed at Berkeley and beyond. Berkeley follows a combined application system for all campuses under University of California for undergrad level, but has its own system for master's and PhD. Well, simply this means if you are applying for an undergrad admission, you can apply to multiple campuses through one central application system of UCs, but you will need to apply individually to Berkeley and all other UC campuses for PG programs. All achievements, both academic and non-academic, are considered in the context of the opportunities an applicant has had. And the application officer's assessment is based on how fully the applicant has taken advantage of those opportunities provided to him or her. For students who have faced any hardships or unusual circumstances, application officers consider the maturity, determination, and insight to which the applicant has responded and or overcome them. They also consider other contextual factors that weigh directly upon the applicant's positive points, including linguistic background, parental education level, and other indicators of support available in the house. So it's pretty detailed. Now let's talk about my admission advice to get admission to UC Berkeley. These ideas are not available anywhere, and it comes directly from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. Alright, here we go. For admission to UC Berkeley, start preparing early, from 9th grade or about your first year of college. Remember, they evaluate all your grades from all the years you have been in high school or college. As long as the graph of your grade is going up every year, it's positive. And the second most important thing is your research. Berkeley, like we mentioned earlier, prides itself in its research programs and is always looking for individuals who would advance those efforts in the right direction. So I usually suggest doing a check on professors at Berkeley and the research they are working on. See if something they are working on attracts you and can you work on those topics. A big plus. Also, if by the time you apply, you have some research paper published, it's the cherry on the top. So if you choose Berkeley to be your school for undergrad, remember there is only one deadline to University of California application every year, that is November 30th. And the results come out in the late week of March. And if you're looking for a PG or PhD, deadlines are often around December 1st to January 15th, depending upon your course selection and the school. In the end, if you're an extremely hardworking, socially aware, sports enthusiastic, overachiever plus a well-rounded student, UC Berkeley is the place for you. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up and also do share this video with your friends to help them select the right college. Also, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you get notified of my new videos as soon as they're out. You can also check out my other videos on college admission here, especially how to get into your dream university, where I have shared top 4 factors of getting admission, so check it out here. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll bring another university for you next week. Till then, I'll see you. Bye-bye.